can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a spring prep clean with me. So what I'm doing in this video is getting ready to de-clean this area, but first I need to take down all the Valentine's Day stuff and just kind of get the area ready for the deep cleaning.
What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? Cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, I'm gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do all types of cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering, pretty much any type of homemaking videos, I do those. So if that's something that interests you, please make sure you push that subscribe button down below.
Get next to me. Get next to me. Get next to me. Get next to you. Get next to you. Get next to me. Get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, I'm gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? Cause I'm golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden.
So over on my Instagram, I actually did a poll to see what types of videos you guys were wanting to see more of, and I asked if you would like to see shorter videos or longer videos. Short as in 5 to about 15 minutes, and then longer as in 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So make sure you let me know down below which one you would like to see. And also I asked the question if you would like to see more cook with me's, as in like adding a recipe into my videos, and majority of you said yes, but I want to make sure that's something that you guys want to see as well. And I'm gonna try to do my best to add in more recipes with my videos. So if you missed out on that poll but you want to be part of it next time, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19.
For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
So as you can tell, I have changed clothes, but it's mostly because it is the next day. I did the first part or that Friday after I got off from work, and I knew that if I could get that part done, and then that next morning all I had to do was the rest of taking down some stuff and just the cleaning part. So later on that day, I had to go and babysit, so I knew that I needed to get most of it done the day before so I wouldn't have to do so much on this day.
In all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights, just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. I cannot wait for y'all to see my first spring cleaning video. It is very satisfying, just to say the least. So make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss out on that. And again, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.